Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. This video is meant for CA Final old and new syllabus students. So some students who are going to appear for examinations in November 2020 are planning to write first group in first cycle of November 2020 exams, which are scheduled to be conducted in November itself, and they are planning to write second group in second cycle of November 2020 exams, which are scheduled to be conducted in February 2021. This video file is meant for such kind of students. For the benefit of such kind of students, Masterminds is introducing a prestigious service called CA Final Short-Term Revision Exams and Study Hours Batches. That means even for this 2 months, short period of 2 months, we have designed separate schedules meant for this kind of students alone. In this batch, we will offer two different services, that is revision exams and study hours. Revision exams is one separate service and study hours is one separate service. And we will conduct the study hours physically, and this facility will be available across all our branches including Guntur. Some students may not show interest to attend the study hours physically. For the benefit of those students, we will conduct revision exams alone under a service called Masterminds Test Series. In simple words, revision exams and study hours minus study hours is nothing but Masterminds Test Series. The old name for Masterminds Test Series was Postal Mode. In this service, there will be separate schedules for Group 1 and Group 2 under old and new syllabus. So there will be totally 4 schedules. Group 1 under old syllabus, Group 1 under new syllabus, Group 2 under old syllabus, Group 2 under new syllabus. Totally 4 different schedules. Student can join for any group of his choice. Both group schedule will also be available, but it's not meant for February 2021 attempt. They are meant for May 2021 attempt. So if you want to appear for both the groups, then you have to appear for May 2021 attempt. Exams will be conducted weekly twice, one exam on Sunday, another exam on Wednesday. Each revision exam consists of 2 divisions. First division is descriptive exam, second division is MCQ exam. That means every week student will write 2 descriptive exams and 2 MCQ exams. So 2 exclusive exams will be conducted every week. This will give enough practice on MCQ exams. We will even conduct one set of pre-final exams. We will provide question papers prepared and verified at 3 levels, so that which ensures you best quality of question paper, error-free. Question papers will be at par with that of public exams, and immediately after completion of exam, we will provide you suggested answers. Unlike others who offer test series, we will evaluate your exam papers quickly. After valuation, we will share a detailed report called valuation report to you, and will even award marks to you. So there are several people who offer test series, but they don't evaluate your papers. But Masterminds test series is entirely different. So this batch will commence on November 25th itself, and first revision exam will be conducted on 9th December 2020, and the last revision exam will be conducted on 7th February 2021. If needed, you can attend coaching for selective subjects in regular batch, that is CA Final regular batch, by paying the additional amount. Every year, thousands of students are availing this service, which is best in the field. I recommend each and every student to avail this facility. Without proper schedule, your preparation will not get streamlined. Without proper schedule, you cannot focus well on your preparation. Your preparation gets distracted. But when we offer proper schedule, it will streamline your entire preparation. So it will boost up your preparation, quality of preparation. So schedule is very important. There's a lot of difference between the schedule being prepared by you and schedule being prepared by us. So a team of 15 members who have more than 5 years of rich experience in preparing these schedules and question papers will be involved in this work. So such kind of expert team will prepare all these things. So such kind of expertise cannot be obtained by you. That's why if you join for our service of revision exams and study hours, you can avail the benefit of our expertise in doing this service. So instead of wasting your valuable time at home, because by this time you might have understood that preparation at home will not be productive. So when we have revision exams also, automatically our preparation will boost up. That's why, my dear students, I recommend everyone to join in this service. For any details, you need to call the mobile number 9885125025 or 26. All the best.